Miley!
Down the stairs, Miley!
Guys, call it.
This side! This Miley! Miley, down the stairs, thank you! Beautiful!
Seven more! I need them on this side! Gianna, eyes right here! Jade, all the way to the left!
Selena, over your shoulder! Hey, newlyweds! Hey, newlyweds!
Turn it around!
Newlyweds, this way! Close together,
And
guys!
then right next to them!
Pam! Second row, Glenn! Second row!
Hudson, right here. Look at that smile, Hudson.
Hudson, right? Let's start right here, right down the center here.
Hudson.
Can I get a wave?
Give us that smile,
Right down the center, right down the center. No, look in here, right down the center here.
Let's go. Timothy, how would you like it?
Timothy, you're looking right here. Let's get those eyes.
Right here, everybody.
Right down the center. This way.
Abby, facing us.
Ayo, second row.
Abby, don't look at that. Abby, all the way to your right, Abby. Abby, this way. Abby, look at this way. To your right.
Ayo, one more time right here. Ayo, second row. Gorgeous.
Together, guys. One more this way. This way. This way. Wait, this way, the two of you. Amy, this way. Amy, all the way to your right.
Mr. Sandler!
How you doing, sir? Close together, guys. All the way to the center. Hold on, I'm shooting. Keys, we're shooting it. There you go. Right here. Natasha, looking good.
Natasha, second row.
Natasha, this way. She's so cool. Natasha, over your shoulder.
Right, Coleman.
Coleman, this way.
Coleman, we need you to the right, Coleman. Hi, Coleman.
The front of the
Hi,
suit, sir.
Coleman.
The front of the suit. There you go. Right there.
Coleman, I need you second row, Coleman. Coleman, let's get those eyes right here. I need your eyes too, Coleman. Second row, Coleman. Right down the center. Jenna, right down the center here. Jenna, bring up a little over the shoulder. Jenna, a little over the shoulder. And then right down the center here.
Mr. Franco!
Never mind, I have it in my bag.
Ethan, to your right.